Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk with a new instrument, or rather a very old instrument, and a song from 1929. Boys were made for girls, girls were made for boys, made to share each other's cares and joys. Life without a mate is like an empty plate. Get yourself somebody and cooperate. There ain't no sinner sitting on the fan, all by yourself in the moonlight. There ain't no thrill or the watermill, all by yourself in the moonlight. There ain't no fun sitting beneath the trees, giving yourself a hug, giving yourself a squeeze. Oh, it's all insane, swinging down the lane, all by yourself in the moonlight. You can't go far in a motor car, all by yourself in the moonlight. It ain't no treat in a rumble sea, all by yourself in the moonlight. And you'll agree, you're poor company. You're kissing yourself hello, kissing yourself goodnight. Oh, it's all a fake, swimming in the lake, all by yourself in the moonlight. All by yourself in the moonlight. Well, I suppose this is rather a sad song, All By Yourself in the Moonlight. It was written by J. Wallace, a pseudonym for the British songwriter Ralph Butler, who also wrote, amongst many others, Sun Has Got His Hat On, Run Rabbit Run, Hey Little Hen, all co-written with Noel Gay. It was first recorded in 1928 with a vocal chorus by the Radio Imps. There are recordings online by Whispering Jack Smith, and a nice one with words and old sheet music by the sheet music singer. The site is a great source of old sheet music, realised with piano accompaniment and bringing vintage songs back to life. I'll leave a link of this in the comments box. The ukulele banjo, or banjolele, I'm using is a cheap and cheerful Melody Junior model made sometime in the 1930s by George Horton at his Reliance Works in Birmingham, UK, which was established in 1888, and I'm told George Formby played one as well. My earlier videos were made directly to an iMac with two microphones either side, but more recently I've been using a MacBook Pro and recording directly to that, which I think gives a very good sound. Because of that, though, I can't balance the sound of the folk voice and the instrument quite as well, and the banjolele is a very strident sound. So I'm using a very flexible felt pick to play across here, and a little bit higher up on the fingerboard. There are 8 chords in this song, but all fairly familiar. Start off with an F chord. Boys were made for girls, boys were made for boys, made to share each other's and receive cares and C7 joys. F again. Life without a mate, life an empty plate. Get yourself somebody and cooperate. That's C major 7, C7. And then we get onto the main chorus. It ain't no sense, C7, sitting on the fence, all by yourself in the moonlight, F. It ain't no thrill, C7, this you ought to will, all by yourself in the moonlight. Now an F7, just put your third finger down on the 3rd fret of string 3, and then you've got this B flat chord, which does call for a bar. Ain't no fun. Then you're into the F chord, sitting beneath the trees. D minor, giving yourself a hug. G7, giving yourself a C. C7. It's it's insane, swinging down the lane, all by yourself in the moonlight. And the rhythm pattern, strumming pattern, I think it's just it's compound, so the beat is divided into threes. If you don't understand what I mean by that, have a look at my video on strumming patterns on the ukulele. But you could do absolutely anything. Well, it's a great song. It's a fun song. It's very evocative of the time in which it was written, 1928. So I hope you have a go at it. But anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.